This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Enjoy easy living in this beautiful, quality, low-maintenance home. Peaceful and private, yet convenient, on a level lot with creek and fire pit. Well cared for with many upgrades and renovations. R30 insulation in attic. Large kitchen with granite island and stainless appliances. Large master suite with high ceilings, separate dining room, laundry and mudroom. Attached garage, new roof. Nature abounds here in the delightful Lance Crossing subdivision. Easy access to Blairsville, Blue Ridge, Georgia and Murphy, North Carolina. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745-3500.